Hey guys, I have a Victoria's Secret haul. I feel like I haven't really had that so far this year. I did a quick one on shorts, but that was it. Anyway, if you would like to see what I grabbed from Victoria's Secret, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start the haul with the Into the Clouds collection, and I actually did a haul shorts on 3 of these fragrances because I couldn't find Petal Plush Clouds because it was nowhere. I actually had put an order in online, a back order, and they never shipped it. They were supposed to ship out March 1st. And then when I was placing the order for this haul, the first store I placed, they canceled my order. And so I had to go to a different store, which is a little further out. But when I went to see what they had available, they actually had Petal Plush Cloud in store. So I added that to my cart. And the sale that I got was the the 5 for 40 sale. And if you don't know, when they do that sale, typically anything after the 5, you still get the sale price. So when you do the 5 for 40, it drops them to around $8, right? So then as you add, all of those are still $8. So I also had a coupon that was 20 off of 50. So I needed to add more anyway. And so I hit that mark, did the $20 off. So each of the body mists that I got in this haul, I got for about $5.15, minus Floral Morning Dream, Orange Flower Sun, and Pastel Sugar Sky. I bought those during the $5.95 sale, but everything else in this haul I paid about $5.15 for. So looking online right now, the only thing available online in the mist are the Floral Morning Dreams and the Petal Plush Clouds, and the only lotion available are the Orange Flower Sun. So I'm going to quickly go over the notes of the other one that I did in the haul, because that haul was super quick, and then I'll tell you kind of my favorites. Okay, so we're going to start right to left because I want to do Pastel Plush Clouds last. So Pastel Sugar Sky. It is Vanilla Orchid Paints Cotton Candy Skies Lavender Musk. It's a nice scent. It's not super sweet at all, which is fine with me. If I want something sweet, I definitely have a lot of options. There's just smelling it on paper, there's just a little bit of a sharpness, but I've noticed on the skin that sharpness goes away. And just so you know, before I started this, I made little strips, and I'm smelling them right now to kind of refresh my memory as I talk about it. So also, it's high pollen season here in Georgia, and it's been raining a lot. So it's been triggering my allergies and my migraines. So I actually haven't had a chance to really play around with my fragrances lately because there's not many things when I'm feeling like this that I can wear. So I haven't had a chance to play with these as much as I would like. So it's still just kind of like, even today, I have a slight headache, but it's not as bad as it's been, and I'm kind of congested. So if I sound funny, that's also what it is. But Pastel Sugar Skies is nice. It's not super sweet. If you found, to me, I feel like when I saw this, I immediately thought, okay, is this like in the Cotton Candy Cloud range? Like what is this? This is none of those. This isn't Boardwalk Taffy. This isn't that. So it's not among the clouds. It's a nice scent. It's not one that I want to back up of, but I do like it. Didn't want to return it. Next is Orange Flower Sun, and that is Citrus Blossoms Awakens Blushwood Bubblegum Petals. In the original haul, I said this was my favorite, and just spoiler alert, this still is my favorite. If I could find a backup of this, I would get it. Today, when I went to do my pickup order, I literally just walked in and grabbed my order. I didn't walk around or anything because I wasn't feeling that great. But I know this is not online, but I'm hoping that maybe one of the stores in my area will have it. If they do, I'll grab another one. If not, it's not the end of the world. But I really do enjoy this. This is just a really nice, it's mixed well. You smell that citrus, the orange in there. It's like a sweeter orange, but not super sweet. And those bubblegum petals, like, I think that's just adding to it because you feel that tuberose vibe, but not, if you don't like tuberose, I think you still would like this. This isn't like super heavy tuberose. So really enjoy that, and can't wait till I'm really feeling up to playing with my fragrances again. So Floral Morning Dream, that one is Morning Dew Softens, Lily of the Valley, Fresh Honeysuckle. Now, I don't know if I've said, I love honeysuckle. I love just the way it smells. I love how it smells, just period, and then on me. So when I saw this, I was super excited about it, and I'm happy with this. This is nice. If I found this at semi-annual sale, although Victoria's Secret and their semi-annual sales suck, but anyway, if I were to see this at semi-annual sale, for, like $5 or something, I might pick up another one of these. This one is nice. It has that honeysuckle, but it's not a super sweet honeysuckle. And I think that lily of the valley is just a nice floral kind of touch. And I love the bottle, but I don't buy things just for bottles. So then last but not least, we have the Petal Plush Cloud, which, like I said, when I did my online order, I saw that the store had it. Now, this is peony, sugar sweetens, bergamot tea leaves, and mimosa flower. This is okay. Like, I wouldn't want another one of these. I don't necessarily want to send it back. I do like bergamot, and I think that the tea leaves makes this different. I can't think of anything that this smells like, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. If you like bergamot, I think you'll like this, but this isn't a super strong bergamot. So if you're a person who's like, I love bergamot, I just want to, you're not going to get that with this. This is a softer bergamot tea scent. I can't even describe it any other way than that, but it's not bad. Overall, this collection, Orange Flower Sun, top notch, well above the others. But this was an okay fragrance. So okay collection. So my number one and high number one is Orange Flower Sun, followed by Floral Morning Dreams. Pastel Sky, Sugar Sky for me is number 3, and then Petal Plush Clouds is number 4. And again, that's without me having any chance to kind of really wear them. I'm gonna, hopefully I'll get a little break from all this pollen and these migraines, and then I can start playing around with fragrance again soon. But that's normal this time of year for me, especially since I've moved down to Georgia. I've always had bad allergies, but moving down to Georgia has just made them worse. So that is the first collection. That is the Into the Clouds collection. And again, there are very few pieces left online, but I would check the store. So next we'll talk about the Tropic Nectar collection, which has a similar issue that this one had. Okay, so next up we have the Tropical Nectar collection, and the same as with the In the Clouds collection, there is a missing body mist. So I don't know what's going on with Victoria's Secret, and I didn't want to get the lotion just to smell it. So, and like I already said, I did buy online, pick up in store. So I just ran in, picked up my order and left. So I will eventually, if they get it to the store, smell the other one. So I'll start with that one because again, it's not there. And that one is Blackberry Bite fragrance. It's in a purple, based on what the lotion looks like, it's purple. And the notes are wet blackberry, chilled amber, water lotus soak. So for me, I think it'll be worth trying. Am I going to go try to hunt it down? No. So there's that. So first we will start with the Pineapple High. So Pineapple High is pineapple slices, kiwi melt, and vanilla rum rush. And before, the same with the cloud ones, I've sprayed it on a little piece of paper, my little. And this is not a super sweet pineapple. So if you didn't like how sweet Pineapple Cove was from last year, or if you think that Bath and Body Works Pink Pineapple Paradise is too sweet, you might like this. It's a nice pineapple. It's not sweet. It's like fresh. It's like a refreshing kind of fresh scent, not sweet at all. I do like it. For days that I don't want like a super sweet pineapple. I like really sweet pineapples, but I do like this. I like this. I don't know that I'd want a backup of it, but I definitely like it. Glad I have it. It's just a nice, sweet, kind of fresh pineapple. So then next is Melon Drench. Now, Melon Drench is melon flesh, coconut waves, bright clementine drip. I really like this. It's not super sweet. It's more refreshing. And even the coconut, like you definitely smell that coconut, but it's not like beachy coconut. And then whatever melon that is, kind of has like a honeydew vibe. I enjoy that as well. And in the description, it says juicy fruits add punchy twist to Sundra's Escaped, with notes of coconut rum, melon flesh, mango peel. So I like that one a lot. So the last one that I have is the Mango Smash. And that one, it has mango peel, spiked hibiscus, juicy nectarine burst. And the description again says with notes of coconut rum, melon flesh, mango peel, amplify if you want with the lotion. Again, this one, it's not a super sweet mango. It's not like Bath and Body Works mango that they just came out, the golden mango. It doesn't smell like that. This is a more toned down version of that one as well. So I do like this one as well. And of the Tropical Nectar line so far, not having smelled the blackberry one. Melon Drench is my favorite. Pineapple High and Mango Smash are pretty equal to me. I like them both equally. I may, if they have a sale, I may get another Melon Drench, just one. I don't want the lotion of any of these. So, and again, the blackberry one, I will see how I feel. And if I come across it, then, I'll get it. So that is the Tropical Nectar collection. Okay, guys, so the last set for this haul is the Splash collection. And this is the first of this year's flankers for the core line. So this is going to be the first of, I'm guessing, 3. So what I'm going to do is at the end of the year, after, the last set of flankers are out, I will update my flanker videos that I have. If you haven't seen those, I'll put them in the description box below. I go over, the flankers that I have and compare them to the originals of each one of these. So I'll do that an updated one at the end of this year. So this one is the first one, the first set of flankers. So first we will talk about Bare Vanilla Splash. And actually, let me go back. So the little banner says, introducing the Splash collection. Your favorite scents now dripping with aquatic notes. So Bare Vanilla Splash, it says your favorite scents make a splash with aquatic notes of peach tea, juicy watermelon, and iridescent lotus, pair with matching lotion. So for Bare Vanilla Splash, the notes are coconut flower, iridescent lotus, bare vanilla makes a splash. And dewy vanilla is what it says in the notes. The back of the bottle is what I read first, but when I look at the notes, it says coconut flower, iridescent lotus, and dewy vanilla. So for me, I like this. This is a aquatic bare vanilla, which is interesting, but I do like it and I want to back up. Definitely want to back up of this one. It's like a nice springy bare vanilla. So, I had taken a long break from Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secrets, and I wasn't a big Victoria's Secret shopper as far as their body mist anyway. So this may smell like a flanker that I've never smelled before, but of the ones I have smelled, this doesn't smell like any of these. This is a very aquatic bare vanilla. I feel like summertime too. I'm thinking about quite a few. Like, I think this would go so well with that Juliet Has a Gun vanilla vibes. This will work with that. Just anything kind of beachy, but this isn't beachy. So it doesn't have that like super summertime smell, but I definitely like this. I like it a lot. So then next we have Pure Seduction, and that says, the bottle says magnolia petals, juicy watermelon, Pure Seduction makes a splash. And then on the notes online, it says magnolia petals, juicy watermelon, and liquid citrus. So quick story with this one. I originally placed the buy online, pick up in store order at the closest Victoria's Secret to me, and I had all of these plus the that left me just that fast. What was the name of that collection I just talked about with you guys? The floral one with the mango and pineapple one. The Tropic collection. Sorry guys, again, not feeling my best, but anyway. So I did an order with these plus the Tropic Nectar, and then that store actually canceled everything except for Pure Seduction Splash and Velvet Petal Splash. And so I kept it, and then I placed an order at a further away Victoria's Secret, and I added everything back in. Plus, like I told you, I saw the petal clouds from the cloud collection. And then I went ahead because I was like, okay, I needed to hit the $50 mark. So, because I had 2 coupons, thankfully. So I went ahead and added another Pure Seduction because I was like, I love Pure Seduction. I'm sure that I will like that. And so I actually have 2 of these. Anyway, so for this, I like this a lot. This is like, it's a juicy watermelon. Like, it literally kind of makes my mouth water. So I'm gonna be so excited to wear this, like, once I can really smell and then start playing around with fragrance again. It's not heavy, it's not super sweet. This is nice, and I'm glad that I went ahead and decided to go ahead and keep that one. So I already have 2 of these. I don't need 3 of these. I already have 2 and I'm happy with that. But this is really nice. Super happy to have it. And it's a very like watery, juicy watermelon. So next is Velvet Petals. And for Velvet Petals, the bottle says Jasmine Sparkle, Pink Lemon, Velvet Petals make a splash. And then in the notes section, it says Jasmine Sparkle, Pink Lemon, and Sugar and Sea Amber. So Velvet Petals is also a favorite of mine. Pure Seduction and Bare Vanilla are like, my jams. And Velvet Petals I like a lot too. I have the original and then the flankers, except that last deluxe. I did not like the Velvet Petals in that, but whatever. So I don't have that one, but I have Golden, the original Heat, of course, which I'm sure you guys know if you've seen my videos, that is my favorite flanker to date, even now with this one. This is nice. It's soft. That jasmine is in there, but it's not really heavy. So if you're not a jasmine lover, I think you should still try this because I like jasmine. I like jasmine a lot actually, but this isn't a heavy jasmine. Like this whole line, the aesthetics of it, the name, splash, like it fits. Like this is all like watery. So the jasmine in here is definitely there. It's not super heavy. That lemon doesn't make it tart at all. There's no tartness in there, but I think that's what's kind of helping the jasmine not be super florally. And that sea amber, this isn't deep. So if you're a person, again, I love amber. If you're a person that doesn't like amber, I think you still would like this. I think if you like the original Velvet Petals, you would like this still. This is just really nice. And I do want a backup of this. So I want one of each of this whole collection. So last but not least is Love Spell. Now, if you guys have seen my video and heard me talk about Love Spell, the original Love Spell I do not like at all. And then the Luxe Love Spell, I went back and forth, ended up giving that to my niece. Just decided, yeah, I didn't want that. So the only Love Spells I have in my collection currently are Love Spell Golden and Love Spell Heat and Love Spell Untamed. So those are the 3 Love Spells. I don't have the original and I don't have Luck and I don't have any other Love Spell aside from that. So this is Raspberry Glistens, Peach Tea, Love Spell Makes a Splash. And the notes are Raspberry Glisten, Peach Tea, Pomelo Drip. I like this a lot. I was shocked how much I liked it. When I got it, I was like, this is a Love Spell though. Yes, hands down, I like this. This might be my favorite Love Spell, but we'll see. I'm gonna, play around with them. Then we have whatever flankers they come out with this year. I think I actually might like this more than Love Spell Heat, which I can't believe anything would dethrone a Heat for me. But this is nice. This raspberry peach tea combo is so good, so good. I like this. It's not clawing. It's not like sharp. There's something about that original Love Spell to me that's just a really sharp and headache inducing. This is not that at all. Like at all. I love everything about this. I love everything about this. Like of these 4, if I were to rank them, this actually would be number 1, which is shocking to me because I don't really like Love Spell. But that raspberry peach tea, that hit in every area. And as a person that doesn't like Love Spell, I'm just shocked by that. So for me, Love Spell Splash is my favorite of these 4. Bare Vanilla and Pure Seduction are kind of tied for 2. And they would only be depending on the mood that I was in. Honestly, if I want a little more like aquatic fruity, Pure Seduction would be number 2. If I was feeling like a little chill, laid back, Bare Vanilla Splash would be number 2. So they were just kind of equally number 2. And then Velvet Petals would be 3/4. But I like all of these. So happy that I have them and want a backup of all of them. So that is the Spat Splash collection, the first flankers for 2023. Okay guys, so that is my Victoria's Secret haul. As I get a chance to kind of wear these, play around with them, I'll do some scent of the day shorts so that you can kind of see what I've paired them with. And then when I find some favorites and things that I really like, I may do like my longer, fantastic pairings video with some of these. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for now. I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.